Video. I have zero skills with edits. So, hello everyone. Khalid from Bullock Trades, and so our place comes to an end, and this is gonna be the last video. In this playlist, I'm gonna still like keep posting. I'm gonna start like doing like live tradings and stuff. So it's all for free. Feel free to follow. Feel free to subscribe. Get into my Instagram and stuff. So today's video I'm gonna talk about like common mistakes, tips to do and stuff, so you can increase your win rate, decrease your losses, and that's it. Let's get into the video. It's gonna be like a quick short video. So this one's gonna be like a 3-minute video or something. And anyway, I just want to talk about my trade. Today's trade, I didn't film it. I just captured some screenshots and stuff. Anyway. So this trade was actually, I entered right here and I exited the first trade right here up there and the second one right here. Price kept moving because this was like a first. So let me make it clear. So this one was like a new direction from, we had like in the last week we had the first break of the trend line. We have a new prices moving to a new extreme, making a new low. Then we had like a formal new direction. And then I had like the first break of the trend line. In my second account, I entered 2 trades right here, but in this one, there was like a first break of the trend line, so we expecting a two-legged move to a new extreme as it happens, right here as you can see. So anyway, here, never do this. I entered too early. I didn't wait for a signal bar. I was like expecting prices to go higher immediately, and that was my mistakes. I can show you why, because you can see this one was a dodgy, right? I didn't wait for this bar, so I entered right here, but I didn't wait for it to complete, and we're still having like congestion. The real entry was here. This was the real entry. Let me show you. This was the real entry right here, this in this bar. But anyway, never enter when you see a dodgy. This is like one of the biggest tips I can tell you. Like it makes like the bar is actually of like congestion, as you can see it. So this is like how the bar's looking. So never enter places like this. Yeah, I've seen a nice video. So anyway, my friend is editing a good video. I have zero skills with edits. A fucking bad, like I'm so bad at editing videos. I don't edit videos, I post videos. That's all I do. Anyway, I'm gonna talk about this trade. Let me show it to you. I entered last night. So I want to tell you what is a signal bar. So a signal bar is a bar that gives you a good signal so you can enter. It's just like a confirmation bar. So in this trade, which I entered like in my second account, my live account. So this was the first of the count, and we had the first entry long right here. You see it, and then we had the pullback, and we had like the second entry long, like in the same place right here. But I didn't enter in this one because there was like a bearish bar. The market was like actually still away from the AMA. We need like prices to touch the AMA or touch the trend line. So it was like a breakout pullback. So we are waiting. And prices close it down, made a dragonfly doji. This is a dragonfly doji right here. So I waited, and then prices when it closed on a doji, prices went down again. And it was the second attempt to break lower. It was a failed break lower. Then prices moved up, and that was my entry. I entered right here, and I exited exactly right here. So that was my exit here. Because I thought that price are reversing, and we are like going back in a breakout pullback, and I exited. And then it happens actually right here. So that was it. We always for a good signal bar. So if you are going long, wait for a bearish signal bar. If we are going short, wait for a bearish signal bar that gives you a good short setup. That's like was all in the video. Never enter early. Don't be emotional. If you lose, close your laptop and leave. Go do some cardio, train, do something, have a good food, talk to someone, go a cold shower, take some rest, or study something else. Just look at the market. Don't overtrade. Set up some trades on a day. If you close those trades, you're done. If you lose that like two trades or three, you're done for the day. Set some percentage of losses. That's it. Don't be so greedy. If prices goes to your take profit, that's it. Never move it. Never move your stop loss. If you want to keep like grinding in the game, never ever be greedy. Have some like have be like fearful person. Don't be scared. Don't be a bitch. And that's it. Wait for prices to go poop and like and break out pullbacks. Wait for prices to touch the EMA and give you a good signal bar. Touch the trend line, and that's it. So that was the whole video. I just want to talk about like what's gonna happen in the next videos, guys. Please, if anyone has any question, you just tell me. You just text me, DM me, send me an email on kbarabolic Gmail, and that's it. That was the video. Like from now on, I'm gonna like be posting live trading shorts and stuffs. Gonna be sharing my trading, my track records and everything. I sell nothing. I don't have Telegram. I don't use that shit. I don't need people's money. I'm making a living trading, and I'm so busy making a living trading and getting into new business and stuff, trying to get rich, like the hardest way possible. I love struggles. I love that. I'm in love with the journey. So that was it. And please, guys, if you got any questions, you just DM me from now on. As I said, I'm gonna like start sharing my trades, how I entered, why and when I exited. And I'm gonna be alive soon. Maybe I'm gonna get into Kick and Rumble too. So that was it. That was the video. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks everyone. If anyone has any question, you just text me. I'm sorry, like my eye on the other screen because I got like some trades in gold. And yeah, in the book, this like actually this is my book, and I'm actually adding some like fine in the book, like making it finest. So trying to make it as good as possible, like setup stuff, screenshots, anything about when I entered, why, strategy one, scalping strategy, swing trading and stuff. Anything I know about trading, everything I learned. And I'm trying to make it like really and very simple for you guys. So the book is gonna be better than the videos. I'm not gonna lie, like because I put so much time on it, so much time, and I had some help from other friends. And that's it. That was the whole video. That was everything. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, good luck.